and we're going to tell why iPhone is better than Android. We believe that iPhone is better than Android because it has an 8-hour max battery life in use and a 200-hour standby. It also only weighs 4.9 ounces and has adjustable text size.
The Android has 480 hours of standby, and it charges 2 to 4 times faster than the iPhone.
Alright, Colby, do you like red or blue better, and tell us why?
I like red because it reminds me of horror movies, and they're bloody.
Coy, Kirby. So, Coy, do you like red or blue better, and why?
Red, because it's color of the Chiefs.
What color do you like better, Cole? Red or blue? Why?
I don't know. I don't like that color.
What is it? You have to give an explanation.
Because blue is the color of your eyes.
Besides, do you like red or blue better, and why?
I totally think that blue is like a much better color because, well, I mean, this is blue and it's pretty, kind of. Blue goes into making purple, and I really look good in purple. And blue, I don't know, it brings out my eyes. Yeah.
Alright, Phoenix, do you like red or blue better, and why?
Blue, because blue is friggin' awesome.
What are sound claims for? Why do you use that?
Is this going to be on bloopers, practical jokes, if I don't know what
This probably is because he's recording right now.
I don't know what sound claims are. I would say that they have something to do with claiming a sound.
In some parts, yeah.
In some parts, not, huh? Sound claim. Or maybe you're claiming not a sound that you own, but a sound you make.
Some
Can you
parts, I
tell me
guess.
if I'm hot or cold or getting close here?
In the middle.
Think arguments.
Yeah.
Oh, sound claims as in you're definite on your response and answer. You've made a sound claim. I can back it up.
Yeah.
Get right on.
Why do we need sound claims?
We need sound claims so that we know what we're talking about, and we don't sound silly when we are making arguments but don't have things to support them and back them up.
What are sound claims?
Sound claims are when you have arguments and you have facts to back up those debates.
Why do we need sound claims?
Because we're not idiots.
So we don't sound like
So we don't sound like idiots.
Yeah.
And I would say, probably, just because of society.
Kind of want people though.
So everybody, I mean, is on the same page.
Yeah. So
Does that
we
sound
don't,
right?
Yeah. So we don't sound dumb.
So we don't sound like idiots.
Yeah.
All right.
Alright, I'm here with Coy Kirby. Do you like red or blue better?
Who's recording now?
I'm not recording.
You little liar. He is lying.
Stop. No, seriously. You have to speak loud. You're not gonna. Okay. You're trying to sell
Keegan, shut up. Keegan, we don't care. Okay.
We're going. Here we go.
Okay, Phoenix, we're just gonna start with what's his face. This kid just.
I'm sorry. I looked over. I looked over.
You're not been like this all the time.
We believe that iPhone is better than Android. We believe iPhone is better than Android because it has an 8-hour max battery life in use. It has 200 hours.
Gavin, what is your problem?
So,
When you have the facts, I don't know. I just told you, you're an argument and you want the facts to back it up.
and this is Gavin. And this is Gavin.